right, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. Tommy Richman here. Thought you were the one. Yes, this is a new artist on Gordon Guitar. Pretty sure about that, and I really liked this song. Has this old school vibe over it. So let's take a look at this song. Thought you were the one. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, feel free to do that. We have new songs coming out. We also have old goodies, and we have this wish part where you wish for songs and I bring them up for you. So yeah, it's a lot of opportunities to get mixed up great songs there. So make sure you subscribe to Gordon Guitar, and let's move on here. So we're gonna play the song with the capo set on the first fret. All right, that is because that's the easiest way. We have easy chords. We also match up with the sound here with Tommy Richman's pitch. So yeah, let's take a look at the chords with capo on first, and we will start with the C major 7, and it goes third on A, second on D, open G, open B, and open E. Okay, next chord will be D. Actually, we can go with the D, and that will be open D, second G, third B, and second E. We have E minor as well, and that is open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, open E, and we got the G. And we'll just use the bass mid strings for this chord, and that will be third on E, second on A, then open D, open G, open B, and open E. We can incorporate all the strings down there, but we'll stay with the bass mid area when it comes to the strumming. And there you have all the chords needed. We'll have a B, but that will be just a jump on the bass string. We'll come to that pretty soon. Now let's take a look at this main part, and it's built upon the C major. The B I just talked about, we'll just have the bass note for it, so we'll go through that, and then we have the D and then E minor. So C, B, D, and E minor. That is the main part, and makes up about 95% of the song, I believe. So anyway, let's take a look at it chord by chord, starting with C major 7, and it goes like this. Okay, so it's down, clap, then comes down, up, down, clap, down. You can do this in different ways. This is my take on it, and you don't have to work this much if you don't want to, but I think this is what most of guitarists would play, something around this string pattern, but you can switch it up a little bit in your way. I just teach how you could play this. So down, clap, down, up, down, clap, down. So down, clap, down, up, down, clap, down. Then we have the B, and what you can do here is just to hold the second fret on A string and just kick it there. You can have the supportive note on the D string. If you want to go to the fourth D string, that is great. That is a supportive note because it comes from the B chord. So yeah, just a kick on first and foremost the second fret A string, and then you can have the supportive fourth fret the D string. So just one down on that, and then you go to D and play up clap, and that's it for D. And then we have the final chord E minor, and that will be played down, down, up, clap, down, up. And that is one round. So after the C major 7, we had B, down, and then immediately go to D, up, clap, and then E minor, down, down, up, clap, down, up. Okay, so if you put this together slowly, it goes like this. just a bit faster, you have the standard tempo because this is not a fast playing song. It goes like this. Right, so there you have pretty much the song here, but then we have the outro part, and it starts from 2 minutes and 37 seconds into the song, and it plays till the very end. And what you're gonna do here is just to go and alternate G with the C chord. So you're gonna start with G and play a string pattern, and you're gonna play the exact same string pattern as you played for the first C major part, all right, in the main part. So G, down, clap, down, up, down, clap, down for one round. Then you switch to C and play the same for one round. And that is one chord progression round, so to speak, one turn of G and C. You're gonna play this for 4 rounds, back and forth. So G, C, G, C, G, C, G, C. In that way, and that will be the end of this song. I'm gonna give you a couple rounds of this G, C parts. All right, 2 rounds of that, you played 4, and you ended Tommy Richman's Thought You Were the One. Nice, cozy feeling in this song, a little bit retro, old school, like I mentioned. I love that. So if you like this song, if you like guitar, then this is a match. Give it a try. Hope you enjoyed it, and until next time, play tuned.